if you can read this, I'm gonna try to make home DIY slime because I don't feel like going to the store. My mommy doesn't feel like going and buying slime, and then I have it for one day today, and let's try to make this. I don't know, but hopefully this works. So the first one, we got flour and salt and mix. So the flour is supposed to make it thick, and it's supposed to make it. I don't think I really watched the whole video. Well, I watched the whole video. I just didn't see the whole thing. But second is the second one. We're gonna put this soap and then freeze it. It says Dawn. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if I can see that, but this is. I think we should have that. I think we used that before. I don't know if we still have that. And then we gotta freeze it. I think that's spelled freeze the wrong way, so don't mind that. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some more videos or part 2, so stay tuned. But first, I need to go get a bowl. I wanna try. Let's just do any man money. Oh my gosh. I want to do Dawn because I want to do the second one because all you gotta do is just it's like so long. I don't even know why I'm saying that because it's short. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and stuff. I already got 13, not that much, but I'm still happy about it. So this is my first video that I'm actually doing. It's really short, probably. It's gonna be really short. So all I gotta do is get into the first one. All I need is flour, a bowl, and salt, and mix it. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna see if I got some Dawn first. So. Okay, we're right back. Okay. Bye. recording. I got it. I had soap. It's just going. So I got the bowl. I'm gonna do this one because it's more shorter. I feel like getting a flower and bringing it to my room. So we're probably gonna switch rooms and go to my kitchen and do. I don't know. I hope I'm missing this bowl. Maybe I can try to clean it. I don't know. I hope so. So I'm gonna pour some. I'm not gonna do a whole lot. Pouring up the bowls. So I have to watch the video on TV. So I'm gonna watch on TV. So mix it. So she said, put some, mix it really good. Mix it for a long time. Yeah, I can't mix with that little bit. So I'm gonna try this. Okay. That's a lot. Okay, stop there, stop there. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. That's perfect. I don't like that scorching noise. Mix it for a really long time. This is taking forever. Sorry it took so long. I was talking at the same time to my mother and my grandmother. And at the same time, and I was trying to get it. So I don't know everybody's slime with no glue. Because I don't have no glue. And I don't feel like going to the store and getting some glue. I mean, definitely, my mom definitely ain't getting no glue. We can get like, if y'all know what kind of glue you're supposed to use, I don't know what kind of glue. I love slime, but it's so stretchy. It's like a stress ball. Like those things you pop out there. I wonder if that was that been out like at 2020? Because 2020 they had slime out, right? I'm right. Yeah, they did. So, comment down below. Did they have it at 2019? I can't remember, but I'm gonna keep mixing this and put it in the freezer. So, now comment what's your favorite color. I wanna know what's your favorite color. Comment on one of my shorts or this video. I'm probably gonna get, you know, like those people when they make TikTok videos and stuff, and they have the little light and the camera. I might get just the light thing, the circle light thing, then my light. Even it's already light in my room and stuff, because this is usually what I use. I always do videos in my events and stuff. I'll show you guys. Wait. Okay. Look, it's more lighter than usual. Look. Because look, this is more dark. It's probably because it's in the bottle. And look at this. So, I don't know. I might make my own if this doesn't work. So if this doesn't work, and I put it in the freezer, I'm probably going to put flour in it because flour makes it stuff thicker, I think. Or some pancake mix because we have pancake mix and flour, so I don't know, because pancake mix, I feel like, because it is that's how you're supposed to make pancakes. So I'm probably going to, because it doesn't get more thicker. So that's only two I got that we're probably doing. So, yeah. Like, comment down below, is it crazy? Like, I feel like a pro now. Like, when I first started, like, oh, I have my own wanted to try it on my other phone, but I said, forget it, because I have a new phone. I got an iPhone now, so I said, so I'm using another account. So me and my mom share the same account, but sometimes I let her in the videos. I haven't seen my mom yet, but she'll be like, so it took a really long time for her to like get ready. What time is it? So this, this is my first video. 1 second.